What's up, YouTubers? I want to make this video blog today on a comparison on insurance for, I used to be with American Family for years and years and years and years and years. And about 7-8 years ago or so, a buddy of mine is in lawn service. He told me about State Farm and how much money he saved. So I did some investigating. I ended up switching. And the reason being, I think this is worth talking about, is because when I was with American Family, they made me have a plowing policy and a lawn service policy. They wouldn't let me drop the plowing in the summer, and they wouldn't let me drop the lawn service in the winter. I had to pay for both those policies. Now, keep in mind, this was like 8 years ago or a little more. So I don't know what's changed since then, and maybe some other better insurance companies now, but for a business policy for Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing, my business, I have to have a business policy, $1 million or whatever you get. Anyway, when I switched back then, I saved about, I want to say, $50, $60 a month on my insurance because I always pay monthly. And the reason being, when you have American Family, like I said, you have to pay for the policy for plowing and then a policy for lawn service all the time. When you go with State Farm, you pay your lawn service policy with your premium, for your business insurance, contractor policy. Anything attached to your truck is free. You don't have to pay for it. So I don't have to buy a plowing policy from them. It just comes with the deal. If I hit something with my plow, a truck, another truck, a car, a gas pump or something, it's covered because the plow's hanging on your truck. That's where the substantial amount of money got saved and why I switched. So I just wanted to share that with everybody. Of course, you can do your own research with some other companies too and whatever, but it might be good to look into it because State Farm still does it. I still have their insurance. And they have a really good policy about crediting out, where you get incentives. House insurance, I have, hot rods and cars and bikes and blah, 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 blah. The longer you're with them and the more coverages you have through them, you get incentives, get breaks on your policy. The best I've seen too, so it really makes a difference over a year. So I just think it was worth talking about. Of course, check out some other places too, they Geico and all these other places now. I've called a lot of them, they don't have business policies, so. But check it out. I think you're going to find State Farm is where you're going to save your money, especially on a two-part business that you have to have, like plowing and lawn service with, something like that. So, like, comment, subscribe. Give me some comments down there what you think about this or something else you want compared, or give me your thoughts on it, whatever. Not a problem. This is my guard dog, Layla, Miss Clingy. Nicest, sweetest mutt I've ever had. She's means the world to me. She's a good girl. So anyway, Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing. I'm out.